Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Sora.com and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and make sure that you are using a ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro account, as the free versions does not allow these features in Sora. So, once you have opened Sora, in the text box at the bottom, tap on the plus icon you see there and then tap on the upload from device option and upload your image, which could be a photo or a digital painting or a drawing or even a screenshot. Now, the next step is to write a motion-based prompt to animate it. Your words will tell Sora how to move the image, so design your prompt in such a way that your prompt is exactly how you want the animation to be. You can use words like animate this image with before starting the prompt. You can further use elements such as lighting, style, or camera effect. You can also add text such as the animation should feel and then add in your emotion or mood. For instance, I have uploaded a nature video with a forest scene, so the vibe for my prompt is nature, so my prompt will sound like animate this forest photo by adding slow fog drifting through the trees and sunbeams flickering. Use a gentle camera pan from the left to right and make it feel peaceful and cinematic. ChatGPT will further generate my prompt. You can also choose your video settings, that is, set the duration to 5 to 20 seconds and your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Reels or TikTok. Also set the resolution, that is, if you have a Pro version, set it to 1080p. Now tap on the send button and with this, the generation will begin. Wait for the video to render and then review the versions and download the best one. And this is how you can animate a still image in Sora. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.